A force F is derivable from potential function V of R, where R is the distance from the origin of the coordinate system. It follows that. See, when the potential is a function of R, we studied one property, right? The cross product of corresponding force, that will be 0, right? That means del cross F is equal to 0. Why? We know that we studied one property, curl of gradient of a function only 0. Gradient of a function only 0. That means F should be gradient of a scalar function, right? So that should be equal to 0. This is the vector property. So if such a force is there, then definitely F should be minus del V, right? Right, F should be minus del V. This we have discussed in theory section.